What's up, everyone? I hope everybody had a great Christmas. We did. Just sitting at the bench here, straightening up some things and getting some, working on the cancer build still. As you can see, I got it there. I'm working on the headlights, where and how I'm going to mount them up in the front because they were giving me a headache. Anyways, on the Tom Daniels build, I'm working on that. Working on the slicks, sanding down the tires, the seams. Big Eddie said how he did his on his, I think he did the iced tea. Uh, could be wrong, but his slicks look pretty good. And I want to keep the slicks that are in the kit because they are wrinkled. But anyways, just want to give uh, a short video here and let everybody know that is in the Big Rig build. Want to thank everyone that's in there. Currently we are at, not including me, Thomas, or Kenny, we are at 68 people on the list of builders. I'd have never thought I would have got 20. I know a lot of people don't like to build trucks. I've built a few of them. Usually I build them, and I build the kind of truck I drive to give to my boss. I've done it a couple times. I've driven a heavy duty wrecker. I built that and gave it to one of my bosses, and a dump truck that I gave to another boss, and then this one that I'm going to be building. I haven't posted it yet, but it'll be my it's kind of my holy grail kit, I guess you could say. So I haven't posted it yet. I won't post it until the 1st. I may, depending on how many alcoholic beverages I take in on New Year's Eve, I might post it then. I don't know. But I just want to give a big shout out to everybody that's on this build. Man, you guys, the people that are in here is just awesome. I'm glad. I was talking to Thomas about this. I ran this across Thomas's back in June, I think, for an idea of a build, and he's like, "Yeah, it sounds good," you know. So I'm glad we stuck with it. I'm very glad that Kenny May over at Mindless Model Works is helping us, doing a great job on the videos and also on keeping track of the list. I'd have had it all screwed up by now, I guarantee it. But if it goes well, there will be one every year, or there will be definitely another one for sure next year if it goes well. And like I said, I wasn't expecting 68 people. Well, you know, I was barely expecting maybe 20 if that. But that's great, man. I really appreciate everybody that's joined. Thomas, me and Thomas and Kenny. Kenny's got the hard part because of the list. So, but I appreciate Kenny helping out, man. He's a hell of a guy. And me and Thomas would have it all screwed up by now, I'm sure. So, but anyways, that's it, man. It's coming up next Monday. We can start on it. So, getting anxious. Can't wait. I'm on vacation until I'm actually on vacation till the 7th, or I mean the 8th, I think. But I probably will go back after the 1st. I got a couple things that got to get done on the trailer at work, and nobody else wants to drive the low boy that I drive. So, plus I don't like anybody driving my truck. So, and if they got to move that trailer, they got to use my truck. So. Anyway, so I'll probably work a couple days next week. I'm gonna be off this whole week in between Christmas and New Year's, so get a little bench time in. I want to knock out the Tom Daniels build, finish up this thing, and I got the bench here. Sorry. Got the bench pretty cleaned off. Tom Daniels build is over there. So we're waiting. We're waiting for the truck build to start. It's 5.5 minutes. You got 3 videos this weekend from me. That's more than I expect you to watch. So, alright, everyone that's in the group build for the big truck, I appreciate it. Thank you again, and can't wait to start building. Take care. I'm out.